Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have the phone, the Google account email, and reliable internet. Power the device and connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure battery stays above 20% to avoid interruption. If you use a manufacturer account like Samsung, sign and details help. Once done, identify the Android version and screen lock type because the method differs. Now proceed to attempt a Google account password reset or use device-specific recovery options. Do not skip verifying account ownership first. You now perform the core recovery steps. Go to the Google account recovery flow on another device and use the registered email, recovery phone, or answers to reset the password. Follow prompts and two-factor challenges. If lock persists, access Find My Device to locate, secure, or remotely erase the phone. Remember, erasing removes local data. For Samsung devices, use Find My Mobile to unlock if available. Make sure to gather any required proofs of ownership before escalating to OEM support. Finish by signing into the phone with the new Google password, then verify AppSync and reset your lock screen PIN or biometric options. Once you regain access, immediately back up important data and enable two-factor authentication plus a password manager to prevent future loss. If these steps fail, contact the device manufacturer with proof of purchase and serial number for assisted recovery. One tip: if unlocking repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset only after confirming backups exist to avoid permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.